Well, a fundamental shift in the approach to domestic violence cases after a Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals rules it's now legal for domestic abusers to own a gun. And to be clear, the court's decision only applies to Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. It does not impact the laws on the books here in California.
But CBS 13's Adrienne Moore is here with the fear the fallout doesn't stop with those three states. Adrienne.
Yeah, Stephen Marley, the overwhelming fear tonight for domestic violence survivors and the groups that help advocate for them is that this will set a precedent. They say this ruling isn't just dangerous, but a deadly combination.
I am very deeply concerned about a ruling like this.
A real and immediate concern as domestic violence organizations like Weave come to terms with a Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals ruling allowing those with restraining orders to have a gun.
There is a strong correlation between access to a firearm by those who do harm and the increased likelihood of severe injury or lethality for those who are victims of domestic violence.
According to the Gifford Center for Gun Violence, domestic violence victims are 5 times more likely to be killed when their abuser has access to a gun. It's a stat Allison Keppard fears will now grow.
At the end of the day, we will put the lives of survivors in jeopardy, and we are guaranteeing that more people will die.
The court found the federal gun control law could not stand under the Bruin test, which requires gun laws to be comparative to the regulations in place at the time of the Constitution's framing in the late 1780s. While the decision does not impact California law, which prevents those with domestic violence restraining orders from having guns and ammo, Governor Newsom is gearing up for a fight, saying in a statement, "Wake up, America. This assault on our safety will only accelerate. This is serious, and it's coming to California."
So this is not over yet. The DOJ plans to appeal this ruling. The department could ask the appeals court for a special procedure that allows the full court to hear the case, or they could take their fight all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court.
All right, thanks, Adrienne. And we want to point this out. If you or someone you know is a victim of domestic violence, remember, help is available. You can call the domestic violence hotline 24/7 at 1-800-799-7233.